Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. We were already in a rainy season, but the rain came this past week. And even though it's from time to time, nothing changes. It's business and pleasure as usual in Pattaya. When there is no water dripping on you, it's the perfect time to go to covered places, and that is why I went to the closest mall, Tukcom. The reason that I came in here was to try their automated devices. I pass on those video games. First, I tried this massage chair. And then I finished with this vending machine. Lately, I've seen a lot of videos showcasing the capabilities of these devices, so I had to try them up IRL. And I'm not disappointed, mostly by the massage chair. Due to the fact that there was no rain outside when y'all saw me leaving Tukcom, so still from the Bali Pier. Later on, I went to this pizza company in Jomtien. And nope, nothing automatic here, just me enjoying the weather while I can. This is one of Pattaya's biggest pizza franchise, which is why I did not share with y'all their menu, but instead what I had, which was pizza truffle ham and cheese, chicken curry, and shrimp spaghetti. Drinks was unlimited for a total of 865 baht. And as y'all can see, ain't no rain that can keep people from doing nautical activities. A lot of y'all couldn't see my post for 9 days. This have been rectified right now. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. And again, ain't no bad weather that can keep people from skateboarding too. I hope that y'all appreciate this content just like I did making it. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.